Hey guys, welcome back to our repair guys. What we'll be doing today guys, we'll be working here on a Dodge Journey with a 3.6 engine, and we're going to show you guys how to remove and replace the Vvt solenoids, also known as camshaft actuator phaser solenoid. So we have 4 of those guys, 4 solenoids. Now let me just quickly introduce you to the channel guys. We'll have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys subscribe to the channel for more videos. Our goal is to save you as much money as we can. Now all 4 camshaft actuator solenoids guys, you replace them exactly the same way like we replace one of them. So we'll just demonstrate on one of them, not to waste your time. Okay, what we're going to need, okay, Torx right here. You can see Torx 25. Start looking bit like this one here. Need to open your hood guys, and now let me explain where they're located. So you have, okay, this is actuator phaser, okay, bank 2 exhaust side. This is bank 1, bank 2 intake side, bank 2 intake, bank 2 exhaust, bank 1 intake, bank 2 exhaust. So we'll just demonstrate on one of those how you do it guys. So what you need to do right here, what you need to do right here now, okay, press in, pull out. Okay, that's how we disconnect the cable. Okay, you can see right here, press in and pull it out. After that guys, okay, we have 3 screws that we need to remove. Okay, I'll show you just in a second. So again, exhaust side, intake, intake, exhaust. So that's how they go. You're going to leak some oil out, so be careful. Okay, this one's out. Okay, second one, and now the third one here. So you grab it now and you just pull it straight out. Okay guys, and this is the actuator phaser for the camshaft on Dodge Journey. You can see that seal right here. If it gets bad, it's going to start leaking oil out of it, so always inspect the seal as well. And this seal guys, okay, it should be installed. Okay, we need to pull that seal out, and it needs to go here in this canal. Okay, that's where it should be. Always inspect those. If they're leaking, okay, you have to replace them. So we'll get the new one now, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to replace it. I always recommend to get new seals as well. You can check out the description of the video below where we get all the parts, replacement parts and all that stuff for a really good price. So let's go ahead and do that now. So we're ready to get the new sensor now, the new actuator phaser, and we're going to go ahead and install it. Okay, pretty much everything else now it's in reverse order that we took it apart. You have to remember which way you took it off. Okay, like that. We'll need to just get the 3 bolts tight. Do not get them tight, okay, until you align all 3 of them. And also guys, check out, okay, the new channel that we have, Electrical Car Repair Live, where we have more engine codes, engine light, diagnostics and all that stuff for that car. So please give a subscribe guys, quite a few videos will be made there as well. So all we have to do now, just get it tight. And do not forget, okay, to connect your wire later. Okay, perfect. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.